For the second set, Ellis. Check. Nueva, top. It's an outside. Score, 13, serving 15. Nueva.
Nak, tayo kay Sir Bano? Badak!
Oh, kalayo. Score, 16, serving 13. Lungkag. Jersey number 7, Benji Lungkag of the SGCSI. It's a touch ball. Good call. Ball touch, ball touch. It's a good call. Ball touch. There. Score 14-16. Chance ball for the SGCSI. Check. It's a miscommunication between the seater and the middle spiker. Another chance ball for the SGCSI. It's a block. It's a third deadlock. 17 all. Third deadlock. 17 all. Nice block by the team captain. Balos po. Score 18, serving 17. Score. It's an outside. Wala na dyan. Good goal. It's a flying ball. Score 19, serving 17. 2 points lead by the SGCSI. Nice tip by Acopiado. Running score 18 serving 19. 1 point lead by the SGC. Guwapong dula ni. Pilit layo. Silat-silat ra. Oh, it's a miscommunication. Another deadlock. The fourth deadlock. 19 all. 19 all. Another chance ball. Wow. Chance ball for the SGC. Quick attack by jersey number 14, the team captain, Judas. Score 20 serving 19.
Kung iisa ang
Nueva.
iubos in.
Set to the Hernan. And a strong attack by our playing coach. Hernan, jersey number 13.
Watcher na sila
Running score,
sa
21
kulay
serving
outdoor
19. Jodos, the team captain of SGCSI. Serve. Black. Score, 22 serving 19.
Loko. Loko yun.
Jodos.
Telakot.
Check ball. Sakto ba na? Asa to? Isa mo kuha? Oo. Sige siya. Siya dyan sa may pakuhaan. Score 27-22. Akopiado. Serve. Check. Set. It's a drop ball. Score 23 serving 20. Jersey number 13, the playing coach, Rogelio Hernan. Serve. Chance ball for the SGC. Outside. It's a set point. Set point serving 20. Nueva attack. It's a flying ball. Oh, touch. Goal. Good call. 21 serving set point.
Kaya walay watcher sa linya kayo. Sama ko na sila.
Score 22 serving set point. 2 points lead by SGCSI. Duha kontra isa. Chance ball for the SGCSI. Fuentes attack. And a monster block by jersey number 2.
Nice block. Nice block, idol.
Timeout. Charge to SGCSI.
Ato din ita man.
Continue na ako. Di na ako stop.
Konti na lang. Every 10 minutes lang. Every 10 minutes.
Ah,
Add mo sa YouTube.
Running score 23 serving set point.
Okay, this game is brought to you
Nothing
by
resumption for the first
Juan.
set.
Kaya nga na ni?
Isa
Kwekwe. And
kontra
Prince
isa.
Boko.
One on one.
This game is Spartan Pisonit versus HGC. Time. Time na.
Fuentes. Oh, it's a check ball. End line. Congratulations to the St. Joseph College of Sindangan. Winning for the first set.